Welcome everyone to today's class. Today, we are going to look at conversion to different bases. When I say different bases, I'm talking about when you are not asked to convert to base 2 or when you are not asked to convert to base 10. Let's take for instance, if you are asked to convert from base 2 to base 8 or from base 16 to base, let's say, 5, what are you going to do? Okay, so I normally give my students a particular algorithm, which is this is the given base. Then you move to base 10. You now move to the required base. Now, this is the algorithm I normally use to convert to different bases. Let's take, for example, you are asked to convert 371 base 8 to base, let's take 3 to base 3. What are we going to do? We are going to convert this given base to base 10. So we have 371 in base 8. Let's convert it to base 10. So we index our numbers 0, 1, and 2. That will give us 3 times 8 raised to power 2 plus 7 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 8 raised to power 0. So the solution I'm going to get here will give me base 10. So I'm now going to convert that number that's in base 10 to the required base. Okay, so this will give me 3 times 64 plus 7 times 8 plus 1 times 1. So 3 times 64, that will give us 3 times 4 will give us 12, take 1, 3 times this, that will give us 192. Plus, this times this, that will give us 56 plus 1. So, this and this will give us 57. 57 plus this, so we can go somewhere and do that. 192 plus 57, that will give us 9 here, 4 here, and 2 here. So that will give us 249 in base 10. So we have converted the number, the given base now, to base 10. So what is the next thing? The next thing is to convert it to the required base. In this question, the required base is base 3. So let us finish it up here. So I'll have my 249 in base 3. 2 in this will not go, so I will take the 2. 3 in 24 will give me 8. So 3 in 9 will give me 3. So that will give me 83 remainder 0. 3 again, 3 here will give me 2. I have remainder 2, put it here. 3 here will give me 6, remainder 5. Okay, so let's check that and be sure that our answer is correct. 3 times this will give us 18. So 3 times that will give us 78. 78 plus 3, that will give us plus 5, sorry, that will give us 83. So that's correct. So 3 again, 3 in 26 will give me 8, remainder 2. And 3 in 8 will give me 2, remainder 2. And 3 in 2 will give me 0, remainder 2. So when you take it from down, you will have that 3, 7, 1 base 8 is equals to 2, 2, 2, 5 base 3. So it's as simple as that. So we have 145 base 8 to base 16. So we have our solution. That will give us 145 base 8. You put your index 0, 1, and 2. So that will give us 1 times 8 raised to power 2 plus 4 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 5 times 8 raised to power 0. So that will give us 1 times 8 raised to power, 8 raised to power 2 will give us 64, plus 4 times 8 raised to power 1 will give us 8, plus 5 times 8 raised to power 0 will give us 1. So that will give us 1 times 64 will give us 64, plus 4 times 8 will give us 32, plus 5 times 1 will give us 5. So 64 plus 32, that will give us 96. 96 plus 5, that will give us 101. So this is in base 10. So now we have gotten our number in base 10. The next thing to do is to convert it to what? Base 16. So we do the same thing. 101, we have 16 here. So 16 in 101 will give us, we have 6. Remainder 16 times 6 will give us 96. So 96 will remainder 5. Okay. Then 16 in 6, 16 in 6, that will give us 0, remainder 6. So when you take it from down, you have that your 145 base 8 is equals to 65 base 16.